music, and games deliver the ultimate escape. Now, you can have the ultimate sound experience to go with it. The YAMAHA YHT-4930 Home Theater System. The YHT-4930 boasts powerful high-definition sound that surrounds you, making every scene more real, every song more intense, and every play more extreme. The centerpiece of the system is the powerful 5.1 channel surround sound RXV383 receiver, which boasts Bluetooth, 4K Ultra HD video, Dolby Vision, and hybrid log gamma compatibility. The RXV383 is seamlessly matched with an outstanding 5.1 channel speaker system that features a powerful 6.5-inch 100-watt powered subwoofer. The YHT-4930 system also includes the YAMAHA Parametric Acoustic Optimizer, which analyzes the acoustics of the room and calibrates your system for the best sound imaginable. Make your escape to the ultimate entertainment experience with the YHT-4930.
Polk speakers are designed to pull you right into the action with rich, detailed surround sound that thrills the senses. Our dynamic balance tweeters project crisp highs, and the pure mid-range drivers let you share the exhilaration of a wide sonic sweet spot. Feel rumbles of deep bass from our powerful subwoofers. And hear every word in your movies and music, including crystal clear vocals. We are committed to bringing you reliable, unrivaled surround sound that works with any system. Elevate your home theater to the next level. Polk. Expect great sound.
Sonos Beam is a smart, compact soundbar for your TV. Enjoy brilliant, immersive sound for shows, movies, and video games. Or listen to music, podcasts, and more from all your favorite streaming services.
Yes.
Beam is Amazon Alexa enabled, so you and everyone in the family can control the sound simply by using your voice.
Yes.
You can also get news, play games, and enjoy many of Alexa's other skills. Or mute the microphone for privacy.
Yes.
Thoughtfully designed to blend in and complement your home, Beam is compact and versatile. Place it on your furniture or hang it with our wall mount and connect your TV with just one cord. All of Beam's acoustic components are custom made to fill your space with crystal clear, perfectly balanced sound from wall to wall.
Yes.
Wirelessly connect Beam to other Sonos speakers to create your perfect home sound system. Put on music or the game and send the sound to every room, so even if you have to get up, you won't miss a second of the action. And bring everyone together with Beam, the smart, compact soundbar for your TV.
With reference premier speakers from Klipsch, seat-shaking, cinema-like sound is all yours. How? Let's start with some basics. A 5.1 setup is the most common home theater speaker configuration. 5.1 stands for 5 full-range speakers, plus a subwoofer to handle the low frequencies. The speakers are arranged in the room to put you in the middle of the action. As you watch a movie, the sounds move from speaker to speaker, following any movement on the screen. Putting the right speakers in the right places is important. That's the key to a powerful, accurate home theater setup. Simply put, if a sound is supposed to occur beside or behind you, it doesn't sound realistic if it comes from the front. Same for dialogue. If it comes from behind you when you watch the screen, that just doesn't make sense. For optimal results, place the center speaker with the TV. Now you're localizing all of the critical movie dialogue to the screen, where it belongs. Then place the surround speakers to your sides or just behind you. Make sure that the left speakers are on your left and the right speakers are on your right, as viewed from your favorite spot. You can place a subwoofer almost anywhere in the room, but ideally, it should be placed in a corner or against a wall to maximize its output. Experiment with different locations to find the sound you prefer. Of course, there are more configurations beyond 5.1 that take the home cinema experience even further. Adding additional subwoofers, rear surrounds, or even Dolby Atmos enabled speakers can bring new dimensions to your movie watching enjoyment. From small, premium listening spaces to large media rooms, with over 1,000 system combinations, there's a reference Premiere solution for any format. For big home theater sound that's as elegant as it is powerful.
Hey Google, play hip hop on the living room receiver.